Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in SmartAiBot. In this video, we will be discussing the following two tools, which are Gen-1 video to video, Gen-2 text or image to video. These AI tools are very amazing, so let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing which we will do is we will go to the search bar and we will type Runway AI. You can also type ML instead of AI, but it's your choice. Then we click on the first link. After that, we'll click try Runway for free. After that, you can click one of these options. I use Google, so I'll sign up with Google. Okay, now once you have finished signing up, it will show like this type of thing, which right now is showing for me. Do not click on subscribe, click on skip. And then it will direct you to this page. It will show you the pricing. So for $0, it was free trial, 125 credits. For now, you can click on the free version, click on try for free. And then it'll be showing you like right now for me. So Gen-1 and Gen-2 are basically the awesome tools of this website. Gen-1 is video to video. You can change the style of the video with text or images. And this you can do text to video, which is Gen-2. Generate videos with text or image prompts. And RB means remove background, remove blur or replace video background. Text to image is also a good AI tool. You can also use Blue Willow, Leonardo, Midjourney, Lexica. These also are good type of AI. Text to image, generate original images with nothing but words. And image to image, transform any image with a text prompt. And train your own generator. Create custom portraits, animals, styles, and more. So in today's video, I will discuss with you Gen-1, Gen-2, remove background, text to image, and image to image. These 5 AI tools are basically like the best AI tools. So if you need like a clip for your video, you can come here and get it. So right now, I think this is the only website which has text to video option. So first I'll show you Gen-1. Click on the Gen-1 and then it will be loading. After that, you can drag your clip or upload it. Okay, let me just drag my clip. I think I'll drag this clip. Then after that, it'll be loading. Okay, so this is our original input as you can see. So I got this video from Runway ML, the same website, and I'll show you the output when we have typed the prompt or image or the styles. So this is the video. It's like volcano which is floating, and text to video to video means you can like add styles, add changes, which will make another video of the same original video but more changes. So for text, you can describe what type, like if you want to make this volcano, the background cyber, futuristic city, you can do that. Or you can choose the type of styles, which are Android, balloon face, claymation, cloudscape, all the other styles. And image, you can just drag an image and then it will copy the style of the image. So right now I will do the prompt. I'll just type volcano lava or magma floating in the air, graphics like futuristic city, volcano colored blue. And then I'll type hyper realistic 8K. I didn't write a very good prompt, but I want to see what it shows. Okay, so then once you write your prompt, you click on generate video. You can also preview your styles, so like what will show. So these types of video will show. It's really cool, right guys? Like the graphics are cool in this. I think this looks good. These wood doesn't look good. I think I'll choose this one. Then when you see your preview, you can just click on generate, and then it'll be generating videos. Okay, so as you can see, our video has shown up. We'll just click on this full screen mode, and I will play our video. It's really cool, and the graphics are also weird. Well, I like it. If you like your video, you can click on the download button here, and you can also share the video by clicking the share button. And now to change the style of your video, you can just click on presence. I will choose Claymore animation, and then you can preview the styles again if you want, or if you don't want to preview styles, you can just click generate video. It looks weird. I'll just click generate video. I think it's shown like this because there's no like person in our video. That's why it's showing a person in the volcano. Okay, as you can see, our video is shown as a claymation style. Split. That's actually good. It's a good thing I didn't choose the type styles. I mean the preview the styles, like one of these, because they look kind of ugly. So it's a good thing. And then if you want to, again, if you like the video, then you can click on the download now button. Okay, so now we can do image. I don't really have any image right now for my volcano, so you can just click on upload and drag a similar image according to your video, and then I'll copy the style of your image. Okay, so we're done with Gen-1. It's a really good tool also. Now we'll go to Gen-2, which is text to image, text or image to video. So I'll first do text. You just click on the text button, type, you can describe your video which you want. I think I'll write AI. Okay, so this is my prompt, and I'll just click on generate, or you can do free preview. Let me just see my preview, because I don't want it to look bad, so I'm gonna see my preview. Oh, it's really good actually. But it's actually showing the eyes only because I wrote red eyes mode off. Let me just click generate. Okay, so as you can see, it generated as a cool video, and it's actually cool. Red eyes mode on. That's kind of funny prompt I wrote in the sentence. That's why it's just showing the eyes only, not the full body. I basically wrote using a computer. I don't know why it's not showing computer, but it's a good video. It looks cool. Let's see the video. Oh, that's cool. It's also scary. Okay, so we have done using the text for Gen-2 option of the video. Let's do image. So I have one image, or if you don't have any image and you want to try it out, you can use Alexica, Blue Willow, Leonardo, or Midjourney. And if you want a tutorial on those AI tools, then you can just comment down, or if my comments are turned off, because sometimes or mostly YouTube turn on my comments, then like the video so I can know that you want me to upload a tutorial on those AI tools. So I have this picture of a little urban brown girl, and the image will be loading right now. Okay, then we cannot click on preview because it's not like a video which you can see, so we'll click on generate only. Okay, so as you can see, our video has been loaded, and since we put a picture, the image, then it'll make the image a video. So that's cool. Yeah, that's actually cool, yeah, right? And I just noticed right now that there's also one more cool option, that when you also upload the image, you can type describe about the image, like how you want. Maybe you can make the image a Superman girl. So I'll just type that right now. Okay, so this is what I wrote. Then I'll click on generate. Okay guys, since I wrote the girl or Superman big girl hyper realistic 8K, it gave me a video, so let's preview it. It's actually cool. The symbol is also the Superman symbol, and she's acting like a Superman. Okay, so we have done using the tool with Gen 2. So these are the options. I don't think the options, I mean these are the things which Gen 2 can do. So we have finished showing you the tutorial of Gen 2. Now I will show you RB, remove background. These three you can explore by yourself. Right now I'll just show you remove background. This one and this one are easy. You can just type a prompt like example AI, and I think something like that, and then it will show an image of AI. And image to image, you select an image and then you can describe it, and then it will show the results as this prompt which you type, or you can select the options of the style. So remove background, it's not really hard to use, but I'll show you. So you can basically click on your video or your image. You can click on upload button and drag your video and image, but I have already done that. Then you click on your video or image, drag it down, every loading image, and then I think click on the area to start masking. I'll click on head. It'll be generating mask. As you can see, it selected the character, and it only took the character which is in green, and then took the background which is still the original background. Then you can see here which is in transparency, it's 20%. Then drag it all the way there, and then okay, so then there'll be like an option which you can which will be showing done masking, which you can click on that. But I think I have done that. I'm not really sure if it's showed in the video, but I've done that, and this is my output. You can also drag the character, and you can also adjust the character size and stuff. This tool is also a really good tool. There's also other tools, websites which can remove background, like remove.bg is also a website which I use mostly. I can also use this one, and the thing is that sometimes our trial can finish, but you can create a new account and do